are trying to ignite. Heat is burning, feel the yearning. But I'm alone without you here. You're an addiction and I never thought I'd fear. I must be strong and withhold the urge. There is something inside that's telling me, I want you, I need you, and desperately breathe you. Smell like your body covers me in the sleep. Like the way you crave. Desire is rising and no more disguising. You are the one that I'm longing for in the dream. Every day. Won't stop this addiction, please. Hear it calling, now I'm crawling. It's like a drug and I'm on my knees. The